आई एम मोनू एंड वेलकम टू नॉलेज कैप्सूल यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस के 20 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर लेके आई हूँ। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चेयरमैन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी at the time of independence was options are A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. S. Radhakrishnan, C. J.L. Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. The right answer is option A. B.R. Ambedkar. Move to the next question. The demand for a constitution made by the people of India without outside interference was officially amended by the National Congress in options are A. 1929, B. 1935, C. 1939, D. 1942. The right answer is option B. 1935. Move to the next question. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first met on options are A. 6 December 1946, B. 9 December 1946, C. 20 February 1949, D. 3rd June 1947. The right answer is 9 December 1946. Next question. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? Options are A. 1969, B. 1970, C. 1968, D. 1971. The right answer is 1969. Next question. The first state to become bifurcated independence was options are A. Bengal, B. Bombay, C. Punjab, D. Assam. The right answer is option B. Bombay. Next question. The Indian Constitution closely follows the constitutional system of options are A. USA, B. UK, C. Switzerland, D. USSR. The right answer is ऑप्शन बी यूके। अगला सवाल। इंडिया ऑप्टेड फॉर ए फेडरल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर ए. वास्ट टेरिटोरी, बी. कल्चरल इंटीग्रेशन, सी. लिंग्विस्टिक एंड रीजनल डाइवर्सिटी, डी. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कन्वीनियंस. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. लिंग्विस्टिक एंड रीजनल डाइवर्सिटी. Next question. The Constitution of India borrowed of the parliamentary system of government from options are A. UK, B. France, C. Switzerland, D. USA. The right answer is option A. UK. Next. The Indian Constitution is regarded as options are A. Federal, B. Unitary, C. Parliamentary, D. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. The right answer is option D. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. Move to the next question. The Indian Constitution does not follow the model of the Constitution of options are A. UK, B. USA, C. USSR, D. Ireland. The right answer is option C. USSR. Next question. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of India Federation from the Constitution of options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Ireland, D. UK. The right answer is option D. UK. Move to the next question. Separation of the judiciary from the executive is enjoined by options are A. Preamble, B. Directive Principle, C. 7th Schedule, D. Judicial Decision. The right answer is option B. Directive Principle. अगला सवाल। The word economic justice is found in? Options are A. Preamble, B. Preamble Fundamental Rights, C. Preamble Fundamental Rights Directive Principles, D. Preamble Directive Principles. The right answer is option B. Preamble Fundamental Rights. अगला सवाल, the implication of liberty, equality and fraternity was derived from? Options are A. American Revolution, B. French Revolution, C. Russian Revolution, D. None of these. The right answer is option B. French Revolution. Move to the next question. There is popular sovereignty in India because the preamble to the constitution begins with the words. Options are A. Democratic India, B. People's Democracy, C. Sovereignty of people, D. We the people of India. The right answer is option D. We the people of India. Move to the next question. There is parliamentary system of government in India because? Options are A. The Lok Sabha is directly elected by the people, B. The parliament can amend the constitution, C. The Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved, D. The Council of Ministers is responsible in Lok Sabha. The right answer is option D. The Council of Ministers is responsible in the Lok Sabha. Next question. The President of India Union has the same constitutional authority as the? Options are A. British monarch, B. President of USA, C. President of Egypt, D. President of USSR. The right answer is option A. British monarch. Move to the next question. The source of India's sovereignty lies in? Options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. People of India, D. Preamble to the Constitution. The right answer is option D. Preamble to the Constitution. Move to the next question. Which of the following has the right to revise its earlier decisions? Options are A. Only Supreme Court, B. Only High Court, C. Both the Supreme Court and High Court, D. None of these. The right answer is option A. Only Supreme Court. Move to the next question. Which of the following is not basic feature of Indian Constitution? Options are A. Presidential Constitution, B. Parliamentary government, C. Federal government, D. Independence of judiciary. The right answer is option A. Presidential Constitution. Move to the next question. In a parliamentary form of government, real power of the state are vested on the? Options are A. Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister, B. President, C. Government, D. Parliament. The right answer is option A. Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Move to the next question. India is democratic republic because? Options are A. There is independence of judiciary, B. The head of the state is elected by the people, C. There is distribution of power between the center and the state, D. There is parliamentary supremacy. The right answer is option B. The head of the state is elected by the people. अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना. थैंक यू.